Okay, I have Elvis stuff and Beatles stuff here in the post. I'm not sure what. These seems to be kind of two CDs in this one. I know I have Elvis Golden Records Volume 4 on a CD, and I have the first two Beatles albums, Please Please Me and With the Beatles, and I have Elvis Golden Records Volume 4 on vinyl and that one. So let me start to unpack. Okay, I have this one opened. Let's see what's inside. Oh, and these one two are Beatles, With the Beatles, and Please Please Me. So I have no idea what them two are going to be. Okay. Yeah. With the Beatles. Please Please Me. I got them for $3.50 on eBay. They came very quickly as well. So I've been listening to them on streaming. And I go to open these ones now. Hold on. Thank you. Now, after uncutting those, hold on. I know what it is. It's the Blues Brothers. It's supposed to be a remastered edition. Had the silver remaster on the box, or on the cover of what I saw on eBay. I remember getting the vinyl back in the day, and my cousin was in a Blues Brothers tribute band in Ireland, sole reason. Okay. Now, BG's number ones. I thought it was Elvis Gold Records, so that still has to come in the post. BG's number ones. I'll put that there. Blues Brothers. Put that away and we open up this next. So yeah, it's Elvis Golden Records on vinyl. I'm not sure whether I got it on mono or stereo. I think I got it on stereo, but I could be wrong. Oh, yeah, I have it on stereo. I have volume 1, 2, 3, and 4 of Elvis Golden Records on mono and vinyl format. And I have them on CD, in a CD pack, in a CD box set for their own stereo. So hold on a sec. So yeah, that's Elvis Golden Records, Gold Records Volume 4. It's on vinyl in stereo. I'll have to try and get the mono version of it. I have all five. I have the 5 box set, CD box set, and this is on the small RCA orange label. So there we are. In today's post, we have Elvis Golden Records, the Blues Brothers, BG's number 1, the Beatles, Please Please Me, and With the Beatles. So yeah, very different from the Black Sabbath purchase, but good music nonetheless. So that's today's postal arrival, and I believe this one they were trying to get this to me, but I was out and about. So there we go. Thank you for watching, and thank you for all the other views on my other videos. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I very much appreciate all the views and the comments. Thank you very much.